Hey fellow travellers, today I'm taking you on a virtual journey to a hidden gem in Pakistan, Mari city Nawabshah. Nestled in the Sindh province, this place is a treasure waiting to be discovered. Let's dive in. First up, the Mari Jo Goth, an ancient archaeological site that'll take you back in time. Imagine walking through history, surrounded by remnants of an ancient civilization. The intricate artifacts and architecture are just mesmerizing. If you're into history, this is a must-see. Next, let's stroll through the bustling bazaars of Nawabshah. The vibrant colors, the aromatic spices, and the friendly locals make for an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to try the local delicacies. The biryani here is to die for. Seriously, your taste buds are in for a treat. Now, for the nature lovers, the Sakhrand Wildlife Sanctuary is a paradise. Imagine spotting peacocks, deer, and a variety of bird species in their natural habitat. It's a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, perfect for some peaceful moments and stunning photography. And if you're up for some adventure, head to the nearby River Indus. You can enjoy boat rides while soaking in the breathtaking views. The sunsets here are nothing short of magical. Trust me, your Instagram feed will thank you. But it's not just about the sights. The heart of Mari city Nawabshah is its people. Warm, welcoming, and always ready to share a cup of chai and a story. Their hospitality is something you'll remember long after you've left. So there you have it, Mari city Nawabshah, a blend of history, culture, nature, and adventure. It's Pakistan's best-kept secret, just waiting for you to explore. Pack your bags and let's hit the road. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Till next time, happy travels.